Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 Drawing Tablet has all of the bells and whistles that most artists look for in a drawing tablet. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is the best drawing tablet for most people, from beginners to seasoned pros. The 15.6-inch glass display has a large 13.6 by 8.6-inch active area, making it big enough for expressive, lag-free drawing. It has an anti-glare coating that cuts down on potentially distracting reflections and adds a level of friction to help simulate the feeling of drawing on paper. Its express keys are out of the way on the tablet's rear edge, so they don't take up valuable screen space. The relatively compact tablet conveniently connects to your computer using an HDMI cable, which produces better video quality than a USB cable, and has foldable legs that can provide up to a 19-degree incline. The Wacom Cintiq 16's battery-free, cordless pen is lightweight, pressure-sensitive, and has a natural feel, like you're writing with a regular pen. It can also tilt up to 60 degrees. The tablet also gives you a little software-enabled help, using anti-jitter technology to ensure you get smooth lines. Between the versatile pen and the high-quality surface, the Cintiq 16 is a well-rounded drawing tablet for hobbyists and pros. Lean toward the latter? Upgrade to the Wacom Cintiq Pro 16, the ultimate synthesis of stylus and computer, according to one of our associated sites. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. There's a ton of real estate on the XP Pen Artist 24 Pro's 2K Quad HD display, giving you room to dream big and draw bigger. If you want a lot of drawing room, the 23.8-inch XP Pen Artist 24 Pro provides a ton of space to create your work. The 2K QHD display realizes your designs in vivid color, allowing you to notice even the smallest details. It's built for comfort. The tablet stand is adjustable and can tilt up to 60 degrees, making it easy for you to find your sweet spot. It also accommodates both right and left-handed artists, with dials and shortcut keys on both sides of the tablet for ambidextrous access. Either way, all 20 shortcut keys are customizable to set the tablet to meet your needs. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro comes with a battery-free stylus, which features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt, giving you the most sensitive digital drawing experience. It's worth noting, however, that at 15.43 pounds, this is a strictly in-office/studio device. Drawing tablet red hard enough room for creation. Red hard featuring stunning 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1440, and a large 23.8-inch display, the Artist 24 Pro delivers remarkably realistic and vivid colors and allows you to craft with astonishing nuance and amazing detail. Drawing tablet with screen red hard ideal connections. Red hard Artist 24 Pro supports a USB-C to USB-C connection, allowing you to connect your iMac, MacBook Pro or Windows computer without using an adapter. Number 3. Wacom Intuos Pro Large Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Pro Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet provides creative control and all of the necessary tools for experts. Wacom is popular among creative professionals, and for good reason. The company has over 35 years of experience in digital pen technology, and its products are used by everyone from fashion designers to animators and filmmakers. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a surprisingly slim and lightweight tablet at 16.8 by 11.2 inches and weighs only 2.86 pounds. However, the black anodized aluminum and fiberglass composite resin make it a sturdy choice. The battery-free Wacom Pro Pen 2 is extremely pressure-sensitive and tilts 60 degrees. There's also a pen stand included to keep the stylus safe and out of the way when not in use. The Wacom Intuos Pro is a graphic drawing tablet, which means it doesn't have a screen. It connects to your Mac or Windows PC via USB, or wirelessly over Bluetooth. Its multi-touch functionality lets you easily scroll, zoom, and navigate your art via the tablet. You can also turn touch-based gestures off if they mess with your flow. For a true traditionalist, there's also a more expensive paper edition Intuos Pro, which adds the ability to convert paper drawings inked with a special pen into a digital image. Drawing on paper over your tablet may seem like a waste of time on paper, but it may make a world of difference for some artists. Number 4. Boogie Board Play and Trace. As an affordable, kid-friendly tablet, the Boogie Board Play and Trace is an irresistible pick for little artists. The Boogie Board Play and Trace LCD writing tablet is a great way to introduce your kids to drawing and writing. The battery-powered 13.5 by 9 tablet features a large, semi-transparent screen that lets your child trace their favorite image or draw freehand. The Play and Trace also comes with templates to teach the basics of writing and drawing. It comes with a stylus, but kids can use pencils, markers, and even fingernails can be used on the surface without damaging the tablet. And, at 13.6 ounces, it's light enough that even young kids can carry it around and use it on their own. That's important because who knows where that stylus will wind up once your kid gets a hold of it. Number 5. Apple iPad Air 5. The iPad Air opens the door for digital drawing, but it's great for everything else, too. When you hear the word tablet, chances are that the iPad is the first thing that comes to mind. While it isn't made specifically for drawing, pairing one with a stylus, especially the Apple Pencil 2, turns it into a fairly sophisticated and versatile tool for making digital art. The 10.9-inch iPad Air 5 is one of our favorite tablets. It has an edge-to-edge liquid retina display that is practically edgeless and makes images look true to life. Its Apple M1 chip is powerful enough to make drawing and other tasks, such as shooting and editing videos, and transferring files, quick and easy. And at 1 pound, it is also far easier to carry around than most drawing tablets. The biggest disadvantage of the iPad, specifically as a drawing tablet, is that it doesn't come with a stylus. That keeps the cost of the iPad down and gives you the option to pick one up on the cheap, but budding artists will want to drop the extra $129.99 on the Apple Pencil 2, which creates sharp lines, offers a variety of smart features, and even attaches magnetically to the side. Read our full review here. Need more palette and power? Check out the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Why iPad Air? Serious performance in a thin and light design. With an immersive 10.9-inch liquid retina display and the amazing performance of the M1 chip, iPad Air is a creative and gaming powerhouse. Featuring Touch ID, advanced cameras, superfast Wi-Fi 6, and a USB-C connector. iPadOS plus apps. iPadOS makes iPad more productive, intuitive, and versatile. With iPadOS, run multiple apps at once, use Apple Pencil to write in any text field with Scribble, and edit and share photos. iPad Air comes with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, with over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 gives you fast access to your files, uploads, and downloads, and lets you seamlessly stream your favorite shows.